Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to create another delicious summer soup, and this soup is one that you need to try for this summer. I know this summer is hot and all of that, but sometimes did you know that when you drink something hot, it cools you down from the inside because it lets you sweat from the inside. And I'll be adding a twist to this soup by adding my own homemade mango sauce to this soup. So sit back, watch and enjoy as we whip up something delicious in our kitchen today. So first we're going to be peeling our potato, and I really don't think I need to show you guys how to peel potato, but we're just going to peel it anyhow on the camera.
Kitchen dance, get the spoon and a pan, making magic with hands, making easy our plan. What's in the fridge tonight? Open wide, see the light. Throw it all in a pot, stir the stew, make it hot. Cooking with and cooking, we're creating a feast. Mix it up, tasting sweet. Come, let's cook together, yeah. The veggies just right, slice and dice in delight, spices adding the bite, simmer oh feel so bright. Ooh, we're tearing it up, cooking faster than the clock, no need for fancy talk, let's create, let's unlock. Cooking with and cooking, we're creating a feast, mix it up, tasting sweet, come let's cook together, yeah.
After blending our potato, peas and onions, we just add it to a pot, and then we had our favorite cupboard spices. Here I'm adding black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, a bit of sea salt, and we give it a stir. After stirring, you're gonna leave on the hob for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then our soup is ready to enjoy. This is so delicious. This is one you really need to give a try. You can see it's just basic ingredients, which is peas, red kidney peas, potato, onion, and then your cupboard spices. Here I'm drizzling a bit of my homemade mango sauce, and you can get this mango sauce at www.imcookingandmore.com. That's on my website where you see my other sauces. Let's just garnish with a bit of mint and enjoy. As I said before, this is one for the summer, one you'd like to try. And as usual, you know I'm not going to go without we having this together. So let's enjoy this soup together. Oh my goodness, that mango sauce, just take it up a notch. There is so many different ways you can use this mango sauce. You can use it as a marinade, you can use it as a salad dressing, you can use it, as you can see here, in my soup. This mango sauce is really versatile and a must try. Remember, head over to imcookingandmore.com and get your mango sauce right away. Until I come again, this is I'm Cooking and More. So God bless and thank you for watching. See you again with another video.